What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a low fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We're going to be starting off with our gold effects and contouring the guideline to the shape of his head. Now that we're done budding him out, we're going to debulk the top with a foreguard. You always want to make sure you run over the calic area a few extra times due to the different hair growth patterns. Now that we're done debulking the top and balding them out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Before we erase our initial guideline, we're going to go ahead with our shave stick so he doesn't bump up and remove the stubble with our foil shaver. Now that we're done balding them out completely, we're going to lose our lever halfway and all the way closed to erase our initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. I'm starting to notice a lot more comments and subs, so I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open, soften up the line with the same guard, and then move on to our half guard. Since the line is soft enough, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to create our 4th guideline and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Using our 1.5 guard, we're going to erase the line completely, and if the line is still there, I like to go to my 1 guard all the way open and slightly remove the darkness. Using our 3 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our 5th guideline. This is going to tie the bottom fade into the top. We're switching over to our prior guards, detailing the dark spots we see. Now this is some extra detail work with the half guard. I am moving over to my 1 guard, half a guard, my 1.5 guard, my 2 guard, because I see some dark spots and I'm removing them. This is detail work. Moving on to the back side of the fade, you want to make sure you make your guidelines a little bit thicker than the size due to the occipital bone and the high density of hair follicles. Now that we're done erasing that initial guideline, we're going to move on to our 1 guard all the way open and get it ready for the half guard. As you can see, the occipital bone is in the way, so I'm being very careful that I blend out these lines. Now that the line is softened up, I'm moving on to my half guard and I'm going to erase the line completely. Using our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Using our 1.5 guard is going to erase this line completely. There's still a little bit of darkness, so I switched over to my 1 guard all the way open and erased it completely. I'm going back to the guard that I ran the top with, and I'm going over the calic area because I saw a little bit of bulk. As you can see, near their occipital bone, the fade is a little bit tight, so I go back and detail that part. This is why you need to make your guidelines a little bit thicker due to the high density of hair follicles. Obviously, the fade wasn't done yet, so I went back to my 1 guard all the way open and erased the dark lines that I saw. The blend is starting to spread out a little bit better now. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. This is gonna be the hairline I'm working with right now. It's a little bit horrendous, but we're gonna make this as crispy as possible. We started off in the middle where he was lightest, and we worked our way to the left side and then right side. When lining up the C-cups, I always like to start at the bottom and work my way to the top. This is the right side of the lineup. One side was combing down while the other side was combing to the side, so this side's a little bit easier to line up. As you can see, I'm starting from the bottom C-cup area, working my way to the top. Using my Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, I'm gonna make them as crispy as possible.